Good morning, good afternoon, and a very good evening, depending where and when you're watching this. I am, of course, Fuzzy Monster, and we are back with part 2 for the Halo 5 Keyrings. Now, in the last video, I didn't know how I was going to do the giveaway, and I still don't know how I'm going to do the giveaway for these, the codes that come with these. So, look in the description of this video. I'm sure I will put it down there on how to get your hands on the codes. Without further ado, let's open up the next 12. The last 12. Like I said last time, we are looking for Kelly. We have one of the rares, I believe, which is this one, because I can't find him on the packaging at all. Let me show you quickly. They don't look like any of the ones on there. So he's either the one of 24 or the one of 48. I'm hoping to find out. So let's jump in and see if we can find the ones we're missing. So this is the original Halo guy. Original Master Chief, which we have. He's our third of that one. We have one of these already. He's our first double of that one. Yeah, he's the third. I'm literally going to blast through these, because we've opened so many. Hey! I believe that's the Kelly we're looking for. Let's just double check. Yep, so we now have the full set of the ones that are on show, which is awesome. So, as I said before, we have this one. So he's either the one of 48 or one of 24. So we just need to open a different one to find out if he's... Well, we won't actually know if he's the rare one or rare one. That guy already. I wonder what the ratio is per box. Hey, it's our second Kelly. That's our second one of that one. So we've only got one we haven't got a double of. Yeah, 3 of him. Got 3 of those ones. Here is a random code for you guys. So we've got 3 Kellys now. Now, I wonder if this will be a rare one. I'm hoping it will be. And it's not. So, let me just put on the table what we got of each one, and then we will have a look at what we're missing. Yes, it's that voice in the sky. It's, of course, me, Fuzzy Monster. And I'm going to interrupt this video quickly just to let you know that the 10 codes that I have to give away will be dropped into random comments and descriptions of previous videos that I have posted on this channel. That could be from the first video of the year to the middle one. Any of them will have the codes dropped into. And I will also give you your daily dad joke. What training do you need to be a litter collector? None, you just pick it up as you go along. Even without me walking in on the video, it's still a bad joke. But yeah, I will let you get back to the video. So really quickly, just to recap what we have. 3 Kelly 087. I'm reading that correctly. We have 3 Ultra. 3 Grunt Miners. 2 Spartan Val. 3 Elite Shipmaster. We have 2 Emily A239. We have 2 Master Chiefs. So that's the Mark Y armor. We have 2 Spartan Optal. We have 2 Spartan Orator. We have 3 Master Chiefs. And we have this rare one, which I don't know if it's the 1 in 48 or the 1 in 24. I'm sure I'll look into it quickly, see if I can find out anything about it. We don't have a name for that one. And this is all we've got. So, a massive thank you for watching. I have been Fuzzy Monster. And until next time, stay safe, look after each other, and peace out. Bye.